We're into 6. We're making it there. All right, we got hydrogen and oxygen. Do they come together? Well, we got to give them a little spark, but then they'll explode. It is an exothermic reaction, and it forms what? Water vapor. Yes, it does. Okay, and we were looking at 2 different types of bonds, ionic and covalent. Ionic, they transfer the electron, making both atoms ions. Covalent, they don't transfer, they share. Now, if we put 2 non-metals together, what are they going to produce every time? They are not going to be ionic, they're going to be covalently bonded. But if we put a metal and a non-metal, and they go together, Emmy, they are then going to be ionic. Very good, ionic. Way to be. Way to get that one. Now, ionics are locked together in a network grid, which makes them have higher, somebody say melting points.
Melting point.
Yes, okay. Yes, like in salt. And that nice old big old soft O, C12H22O. 11 sugar molecule, it melts easily at 180
Degrees Fahrenheit.
5 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay. All right. That's all we need to know about that. Right. All right. Well, you got to know how to do formulas. Remember, we put these guys together based on their ionization number. With hydrogen up there at a 1 plus and oxygen at a 2 minus, how many hydrogens do I need to balance out a 2 minus if they're just 1 plus? Say 2. So we have H, and we show that we got 2 of them with a subscript 2, H2O. Okay. And all the others go the same way. And the last thing in 6 was these organic compounds. What element has to be in a compound for it to be ionic? Tell me, Sean. Excellent! Carbon! See how sharp he is? Carbon has to be in there. So if you got carbon, it is organic. I put a plug in for you, didn't I? Parents are going to watch this and say, ooh, Sean Ryan's doing okay. All right. Now, we had 4 polymers that make us up. One's proteins, which are stringing together of what kind of acids? Amino acids. How many of them are there?
20.
Only 20 for the whole world. And you know what? I'm listening to a book on tape. I do it as I walk in the morning. I better not digress too far. But they took the gene for the eyeball of a mouse and they stuck it into a fruit fly just to see if they'd make something grotesque. And you know what it made? It made an eyeball. A fly eyeball. They have the same DNA. So we're all connected. It is one DNA molecule that ended up being here, even in the E. coli bacteria and the elephant. They both have the same starting strand of DNA. They just modify and get a little different. Strange, isn't it? All right. We got proteins. We got carbohydrates. Plate of spaghetti. You get lots of sugars in you, you can run further the next day. We got lipids, which if you don't run the next day, you stack it on right here. They're fats. And we need them. We're supposed to have them. And last is DNA. All right.